Caviar, known for its custom luxury devices, is back with another custom device. Before go to review, guys subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Caviar's customized Huawei Mate X3 Ultimate is part of its rich colors collection and has two versions, Black Dragon and Gold Dragon. The Black Dragon model is inspired by the Zhuanglong Dragon from Chinese mythology and is wrapped with black crocodile leather, resembling the scales of the Zhuanglong Dragon. The Gold Dragon model, on the other hand, is entirely covered with the 24 karat gold, with the surface sporting a texture of imperial swords crafted in the Chinese city Longqian, a place where the Chinese art of multi-layer sword forging oriented. Caviar says it will make 88 units of both versions, since 88 is considered a lucky number in Chinese culture. Both models come in 256, 512 GB and 1 TB storage options. The Black Dragon version $12,770 US and $13,200 and $13,630 and $13,600 US respectively, while the Gold Dragon model is priced at $14,500 US and $14,930 and top version $15,360 US. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.